Hey, it's yayforyarn, and today I'm unboxing the December 2018 KnitCrate. So my KnitCrate came in the mail. I am super excited to open this up and see what's inside as always. Be sure to keep watching if you are interested in an exclusive promo code that you can use to get a discount off of your first crate if you want to give it a try. But I am ready to open this up and see what kind of squishy goodness is in this little box. Ooh, and there's a bonus. This yarn is really pretty. It's got like kind of a periwinkle color to it. And they also sent a little knitting pin. That is so cute. It's like a little yarn ball with knitting needles through it. Look at that. That is so cute. It's almost like charcoal gray, if not black, but it's like not a super saturated black. This is really cute. I love this. So that is super awesome that they're giving a little extra bonus item in the KnitCrates this month. This is still just the membership crate. The membership crate does not usually include a little bonus that goes with it. You usually just get the yarn and the patterns. But I love this little pin. This is really cute. Definitely going to put this on my knitting bag. And the yarn is Vita Lana. And it's called Heathered Chunky. The colorway is Triple Luxe. So this is kind of like, it's more of like a dense yarn. It's still soft and squishy, but it's a chunky weight. And it's more of like a densely spun yarn. So it's a little bit more, I don't know, kind of rope-like, but it's still very soft and pliable. It's just a little bit more dense, which is nice if you're doing like extra warm stuff. I like the texture and the feel of this, and the way that it's spun, it's like a single ply. So it looks like it's just all one piece, and like the heathered colors are kind of blended into it. That is really cool. This is a really nice wintry type color. So we got 2 skeins of this, 100% wool, chunky weight, 60 yards a piece. So this will make something really quick and easy. And then here's the little pattern booklet for the membership and the sock membership crate. So I'm assuming this is one of the other colorways. And it is. So this is, it looks like kind of like an ear flap hat with pom-poms on it. And here is the theme for the December crate. Lots of pretty colors in here. And this is one of the other colorways. Apparently this one is called Blue Spruce. This is really pretty too. And here is what appears to be the knit pattern for this month. It's like a little cowl, I think. It looks like mistake rib, or you know, some kind of textured ribbing that's not just plain ribbing. So that looks pretty neat. Very simple. Here's about the designer, about the crochet designer. And here is a snow bonnet. Okay, so maybe it's not an ear flap hat, but it kind of resembles an ear flap hat and has these little ties on it with the pom-poms. This is a crochet pattern. That's really cute. And it looks like the December crate from last year can also, the patterns can also be used with the yarn from this year. So that's interesting. And then here is the sock yarn for the sock crate. This is pretty cool. And then there is the sock pattern. And about the designer. So here is a little page about the pin that they sent. And then here's like some ideas of different pins that they sell, not KnitCrate, but in general, pins that are available that have stuff about yarn on them or knitting or crochet or whatever. And here are some other handmade enamel pins that are yarn related. These are really cute. So here is the theme peek for next month's crate for January of 2019. And these are really pretty colors too. I really like that picture right there with those kind of pinkish reds and the blues. I really like that. Those are really pretty colors. So I am super happy with the yarn that I got this month, the patterns that go with it, and I especially love this little pin. This is so cute. And so I am super excited to make something out of this yarn. It's nice and smooth and soft and squishy even though it is wool. And I figure I will probably, once I get around to it, I will probably make that bulky cowl in the pattern book because that looked like a lot of fun. So thanks so much to KnitCrate for sending me this crate to review. I have always been super happy with everything that I've received in all the KnitCrates that I have gotten so far. And if you want to get your own KnitCrate subscription, you can use the coupon code yayforyarn20 for 20% off of your first crate. And by the way, you can also gift a KnitCrate subscription. You can send it as a gift to somebody else. And I really think that it's a great way to encourage people to try different types of yarn that they may not have picked out if they walked into a store. But once they have it, it's just such a nice yarn. And I have, with the subscription that I have been getting, I have loved every yarn that I have received, even though some of them are colors or textures or types of yarn that I would not have normally picked. They have all still been things that I have really enjoyed using, and it's kind of encouraged me to try out different colors than I would normally be comfortable with, different textures, and etc. So yes, I love the crate, and I think it's a great thing to get for yourself, but this can also make a really great gift for anybody who's a knitter or a crocheter. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have ever tried a yarn subscription in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.